In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fit text in a cell in Google Sheets by using text wrapping and cell merging. This is a handy skill that can make your spreadsheets look tidy and organized, especially when dealing with lengthy text in your cells. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Google Sheets document. This can be a new spreadsheet or an existing one with data already in it. Once you're there, let's focus on the specific cell that needs some adjustment. Click on the cell that you want to wrap text in. This means you'll select the cell by simply left-clicking on it, which should highlight it and make it ready for formatting changes. Next, look towards the toolbar at the top of your Google Sheets interface. Here, you'll find an icon that looks like an inverted U, which represents text wrapping. Give that a click. When you do, a small menu will appear with different text positioning options. Select the Wrap option from this menu. What this does is take any text that's too wide for your cell and break it into multiple lines within the same cell. This allows all the text to be visible without extending the cell width beyond your preferred column size. Notice how your selected cell now displays all your text in a neat, column-friendly format. Now, let's move on to cell merging, another useful technique to know. Start by selecting the cell that contains the text you want to work with. Once you've clicked on that initial cell, hold down your mouse button and drag over the additional cells you want to merge with it. You'll see that all the selected cells are highlighted. With those cells selected, head back up to the toolbar, and this time, look for the Merge Cells option. This icon typically looks like a couple of rectangles overlapping. Click on it. By doing so, Google Sheets will combine your selected cells into one larger cell, which displays as one continuous space. This can be particularly useful for headers or when you need a larger text space without the obstruction of cell borders. And there you have it, a straightforward way to both fit text neatly within your cells using text wrapping and create larger areas for text using cell merging. This can significantly improve the readability and aesthetics of your spreadsheets. Don't forget that formatting options like these are here to help you keep your data clear and accessible. Experiment with both approaches to see how they can best serve your spreadsheet needs. With these tips, you'll be better equipped to manage your Google Sheets layouts, ensuring both functionality and presentation are top-notch. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheet organizing.